This is the iPhone 15 Pro and I, JulianTechTM, will be the first person in Singapore to buy it at the Apple Store. You might say, didn't you buy it last year? Well, I wasn't exactly number one. This year, I'm determined to be the first to buy the iPhone 15 Pro in Singapore. Is the iPhone 15 Pro just an iPhone 14 Pro with USB-C? I actually think not. I feel this year's improvement is not very noticeable, except for the USB-C, but if we look into it, there's actually more to talk about. For one, the mute switch became a button that you can customize. Cool. Titanium material that makes it about 10% lighter, and a new A17 Pro processor that apparently can play Resident Evil 4 and Village natively. Sure or not? If you realize I said buy, not get, because if you look online, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of media outlets already got the iPhone 15 Pro to review it. And apparently, Apple does sponsor people in Singapore. I just don't know who or how. Because weirdly enough, they are required not to say they are sponsored by Apple. Apple definitely markets their phone a lot different than other brands, so I don't really know how to contact them. I don't even want a sponsor, I just want to buy it early so that I can review it like the other YouTubers. Regardless, I'm doing this the old-fashioned way, which is buying it online. And what I learned yesterday is there's no point queuing up because everything is online. This means the most important day is pre-order day, and I have to order it at 8 AM. But there's one problem. On pre-order day, I'll be overseas in Thailand for a vacation. But I am determined to get that 8 AM slot. You see. This video is brought to you by ZAGG. From phone cases to screen protectors to wireless chargers, portable wireless chargers, and more, they have everything you need for your next iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Check them out in the description below. I'm in Krabi. It's 7:38 PM and I'm waiting for the pre-order. Okay. 32 minutes more. I only have 10 more minutes. It's gonna rain. I'm hoping that I don't have to order here or on the way to our resort. Let's go. 7:50, 10 minutes.
Cannot see, wait, my face there, yeah. Okay.
We're here. We made it.
We made it.
A bit of time to spare. Give a bit of a room tour. It's about 1 more minute plus for the store to open. Now all you see is this. It says we can't wait either. Pre-order begins 8 PM SGT. See you then. It's 8 PM already. Still the same thing. Panic. Brother. Okay, official website. Even the official website, almost there. So now there's a new message, almost there. Just a few finishing touches and the Apple Store will be ready. See you soon. If I lose my slot, I'm gonna slaughter somebody. It's up. 6 minutes, natural titanium. Is it 10 AM? Is 10 AM the earliest? Can't be 10 AM the earliest. And that was it. I was 6 minutes late and I missed the 8 AM slot. I found out the Apple Store app was not working and only the website on the PC was working, but it was too late. The 8 AM slot was gone. After this, I was in constant sadness even when I came back to Singapore, checking the store constantly if the 8 AM slot would open. I was depressed and I wanted to cancel the whole video. Until 5 days later. I got it 8 AM at the Apple Marina Bay Sands. I got it. Now the question is, what accessories should I bring? For phone case, I can go for the black. I like black. I usually go for black or the clear, but I'm going for this. This is a blue, but if you look at it, it's a metal ring. This has a very nice aluminium finishing. And it's a stand. You can bring it up like this and stand. Voila! For screen protectors, there's 4 options. You got anti-glare, privacy. I think I'm gonna go with anti-glare. Lens protector. I go with metal frame. And I also have a lanyard that I can bring. Don't need a stand because the case already comes with a stand. But if I put it up to the light, you can really see the finishing. Look at that. That's really nice. I'm at home right now and let me tell you the plan and what I'm gonna bring. Even though I pre-ordered the 8 AM slot, I'm going down around 5 to 6 AM. Because I want to be really the number one. And that's basically it. That's my plan. Go early. On top of the 4 accessories that I picked, I'll be bringing my Ting Tang bag. A lot of you have been asking me how my videos get more clear and higher quality. It's because I have a new camera. It's the Sony a6700 with a new prime lens from Sigma. If I'm not wrong, it's the 14mm 1.4. And then the rest is just like extra lens, kit lens, a lot of batteries. And one thing I want to add is a GoPro, and this is a chest mount. So now you have a POV of the queue. Give you all a little bit of a feel of being the first in line. This year, definitely a lot less things. That's because I learned. And let's hope tomorrow will be smooth and I'll be the first. Let's go. Good morning. I had 2 hours of sleep because I had to edit this video and whatever. It's 6:17 a.m. and I'm at MBS. I do not know what to expect because last year I was at Orchard and this year I'm at MBS. I think the first thing I need to do is go to the toilet. Okay, I'm at MBS and the Apple Store is behind me. And it's a lot less noisy, a lot less activity. It's very calm. And the reason why I'm whispering, there's actually a lot of people sleeping outside. I think it's about 20 to 30 people are all around MBS. There's nobody queuing up, so I'm just gonna see whether I can be the first in line. I just asked, there's a security guard in front. I'm gonna turn on my GoPro and show you guys the process. Hi, so is the entrance in basement 2? Oh, I pre-ordered the iPhone for 8 a.m. So I have the... Okay, thank you. So apparently there's not even an entrance. Scarly's got queue already, ah. Oh no! Did I celebrate prematurely? I don't know, let's go see. Ah, this makes more sense. There's a lot more people waiting here. Everyone is just sitting around. That's the line. I was like thinking, why is there so little people? That can't be the pre-order queue, right? Oh my god, is that the first person? So what I'm gonna do is show them the pre-order date and see where I go. Hi, I have a pre-order for 8 a.m.
Right.
Where can I queue up?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, this is the line? Oh, okay. Thank you. How long have you been queuing? Here at 6. Ah, you beat me. What does it take for us to switch? 10 bucks. I'm determined to be number 1. That's the thing, yeah. I thought I would be early, and I went up, I was like, oh, nobody. And they're like, oh, crap, the queue is here. So it doesn't really matter if we switch, right? Because it's just number 1 and number 2. Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
This means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Do you still want your 10 bucks?
No need.
Number 1. It's about 7:50 now. The queue is longer. That queue still ultra long. And the staff are getting ready. Super excited. Super excited. 10 more minutes. Morning.
Hi there, my name is Niza. Hi, hello. So you want to pick up with us?
Yes.
Alright. Let me say a very big congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so ready.
Alright.
It's just good vibes. Just good vibes. Yeah, it's my second time doing this. Fast game.
Right, so 15 Pro.
Yes.
The color blue titanium.
Correct.
2x6.
Yes.
It's,
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, awesome.
Alright, awesome.
I'll put this in the bag.
Number 1. I actually haven't been to the MBS Apple Store before. So this is my first time like coming in. Damn, look at that. The first person to get the iPhone, not get, buy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to unbox it here. I'll try to unbox it there. I think this is a perfect place to unbox the new iPhone 15 Pro. I know the Pro Max has a better telephoto lens, but I only managed to get the Pro. Now let's unbox it. Oh damn! Look at the cable. It's like braided now. Oh, they mentioned about the weight and it's really noticeable. And because of the curved edge, it feels slimmer. And there you go, the iPhone 15 Pro. I do want to talk about the experience. The experience is actually just good vibes. That's all I can describe it. Good vibes. Everyone's so happy and cheery. There's the manager that was hyping everyone up. And everyone congratulated me for being number one. And even I was like, really? Like, oh yeah, I am number one. You know what? They put a smile on my face and that's great. So now let's go back to the office. Let's talk about the iPhone 15 Pro. I got mine in titanium blue, which is the least popular out of the four colors. But honestly, it actually still looks very good. The thing is, it doesn't really matter to me because I do use cases. But the reason why I got the 256GB is because I realized I don't use a lot of memory. I think I use less than 150GB for a phone that has 1TB of memory that I bought last year. It's not my choice. So now that I have a choice, 256 is enough. And it's $600 cheaper. Now I'm gonna add the metal frame camera lens protector. I know there's a bit of controversy about Apple spends so much time developing the lens and then you're gonna put a low quality glass. Well, here's the thing. We do put NV filters and UV filters on our camera lens to protect it. Maybe it's okay to protect it. One thing I wanna do is test it out. Let's do a blind test. Which do you think has the lens protector? Let me 10x this photo and look at the detail. And the one with the lens protector is on the right. So you know what? I think it doesn't really matter. If you want to protect your lens, protect it. If you have any questions about the iPhone 15 Pro in terms of the Singaporean's perspective, do comment in the comment section below. Because I think there's no point me trying to compete with the international YouTubers. But I think Singaporean have its own inquiries and problems. So yeah, just comment in the comment section. Also like this video, man. Come on, I woke up at it's about 5 AM, first in line. I would pay Sean $50 to be first in line, but I went with $10 and he didn't want to take it, so yeah. And you know what else is worth liking? Our sponsor for today, ZAGG. ZAGG cases use graphene that's harder than diamonds, more elastic than rubber, 200 times stronger than steel. It's a material that won the creators a Nobel Prize, used in aerospace, aviation, Formula 1, and now on your next iPhone case. Other things that are worth mentioning are their 360 privacy screen protector that gives you max privacy, and the XTR3 screen protector that has the highest of blue light filtration. And how strong are their screen protectors compared to the competitors? Very strong. And it's able to survive drops up to 4 meters. That's 2 times the height of me. I want to test, but expensive. Okay, sponsor. I do it. Survive. So go check them out. There's a lot of options like this stand. Link is in the description. Hi, you were here last year, right? I remember I seen you.
You remember me?
Yeah. Can I take a video of you?
Okay, yeah.
I remember you. I remember I asked you about the iPhone 14. You're just waiting for the queue, is it? Like, cannot queue yet, is it?
We cannot buy offline.
Ah. Yeah, it's good to see you, man. I remember you. I remember you.
I still remember you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you next year.
Yeah, see you next year. Awesome.